Welcome to Pantheon Island.
Welcome to the Pantheon.
Mr. and Mrs. Grisham,
Well,
I'm disturbed by your experience.
However, the Pantheon.
Welcome to Pantheon Island.
Welcome
Mr. and Mrs.
to
Boulder.
the Pantheon.
I'm deeply sorry for your experience in the lagoon.
To
Hope it will not disturb you.
the Pantheon.
Visit
Well,
to Pantheon Island.
to the Pantheon. Welcome to Pantheon. Welcome to the Pantheon.
Well,